chakalaka,
Show
boom
Nathan how to do
chakalaka,
face cam real quick.
boom
Don't show
chakalaka,
me
face
right
cam.
By the
Boom
way,
face
guys,
chakalaka,
I'm in a
boom
game right
chakalaka,
now,
boom.
Okay, guys, I got
Face.
me a little intro. Got me a
Oh,
little
who cares about that?
And
Yeah, I ain't talking to you.
I got a dance party intro.
yeah,
I love this mouse.
yeah,
This is not a mouse ball,
but yeah, guys,
I like this
it's a
color
ball. It's a ball.
and
but
this
yeah,
color.
guys, hope you guys. I put the intro at the beginning of this video just to make the head.
Hi.
Today we are going to oh yeah, Bailey, God damn.
Okay.
You gotta sign into one that you have your sea animal with.
Oh yeah. Hold on, guys. I gotta log.
Just log out.
Gotta log back in. Yeah. Log out.
Now
log
we'll
out.
go back. I'll go into Gen 2 since I have a seal also. And we just time to
It's 333. No,
Are you
334.
starting yet?
No, I didn't start.
PASSWORD.
Still in the sky high. Yeah.
Oh, duh.
And that. Hold on, Mitch. I'll be right there in a second.
Okay, I'm here already. That black thing on your screen.
Yes, I love it.
It
It shows. Look, whenever I click, it shows.
Yeah.
Watch.
No, it's a circle.
That's very cool.
Awesome.
And you two don't have
Yeah,
it.
you need to spin. I don't have it. All the 500s the jackpot. Oh, you didn't get the diamonds this time. You got 75. That's pretty good, actually. 75 times 3 is $225. Okay, now go to my den.
See how much money I have.
Bailey, that's not my house. That's Nathan's.
Oh my gosh, Nathan.
Oh my God, Nathan.
Yeah, that's
Nathan,
Nathan's
Look
house.
how much stuff I
Go to
have.
my house.
Nathan,
Go to Buddy's. I'm the second one, yeah.
What is Nathan's gotta be a thing?
You're
Hey,
gonna be
Bailey,
surprised.
look what I have on my
Oh
tray.
my gosh! This is what
Go up the stairs.
real sea animals look like.
This is so awesome, isn't it?
This is a
Did you see the
real
treasure chest when you
life.
came in? Did you see the treasure chest when you came in?
This is a real life of Animal Jam.
Have you
This
seen
is
the
a
sea star on the
real
rock? Have you seen the
life.
sea star on the rock?
Yeah.
Right where I'm standing. But yeah, guys.
She's got dance, dance, baby, dance, dance.
I guess
baby.
she's staying in here.
Dance, dance, baby.
I guess
Dance,
she's staying
dance,
at my
baby.
party. Well, I guess
Swim,
she's staying
swim,
at my.
swim.
Well, I guess she's staying here.
Play. I'm playing
I'm
by
gonna turn on the
myself.
sound.
Woo-hoo.
I am
say
going.
woo-hoo.
Go around mud.
Mud. I'm gonna go for you.
I'm already there.
Yeah, excuse me, but where in the crap are you?
Ain't
We're at
coming.
the mud. Oh, show you something.
What do you
You guys
Oh,
are
wrong
in.
character.
I'm in Bailey's den.
Is that you right there?
Hold on, let me switch to my character. Okay. See my hat?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, look at me.
Yeah, you have my horns.
Babe, look at my hat.
Aw, I hate you.
Do you want to know where it is? We're at the play shop now. You just don't notice it. It's in this building right here. Look at my hat, Nathan.
I can't see no hat. Where is the hat?
I'm wearing an eagle hat.
Oh, I know where you got it. You got
Yeah.
it in here.
I know, Bailey, you want the eagle hat?
Wait, no, you
I
didn't
want
get
the
it.
eagle hat.
Then get out of the menu.
Look at this, guys.
No, you remember you traded me for that.
Guys,
Okay, get out and I'll show you.
guys, he
where.
went in here. He went in here. This is where I got the bunny hat from.
Let me change this.
They have the turkey hat here too.
Oh yeah, you got your cake there.
Yeah.
Oh, that f***ing place.
That
Dad,
cape is
did
Okay, you see that big dome right there? Go
Yes.
in it. Yeah, go in
wrong place.
there. Go in there. That's where the eagle hat is.
Yeah,
Where?
I didn't get it.
I don't think I can buy it.
It's right here.
Hold on,
This table
hold on,
right here.
hold on. See how much money I got first.
Guys, I got arcade.
Let me see how much money. I got a lot of money.
Guess
How
how
much
much?
money? 1,000. You have enough.
I have
Okay.
7,300.
I can buy what I want to buy me.
Yeah, guess what? I have 3,000 something. Because I spent most of it on
Eagle.
my underwater house.
What's the eagle?
Okay, then push the X, push the X, push the X, push the X.
Eat.
Go right over I am. You see where I am?
Yeah.
This counter.
Yeah.
Guys, how
right
do you
here.
record?
And click on the counter.
Ah!
Click on
Yeah,
Guys!
click on it. And there's the eagle hat right there.
Guys!
I can.
Also, bunny hat, and then the chicken hat is for yours. The only ones
Guys!
that is a bunny. What?
Help me.
What do you try? Or do? Push the thing and then push start record.
I did.
Nathan,
Really help.
they are sitting right next to you. You need to knock it off.
They won't listen.
Well, you need to knock it off, or I'm going to take your computer
Help us
completely
save the
away.
big cat.
I pushed that. I pushed start recording.
You want to do face cam right there?
Yes. See?
And you push allow, remember, Bailey?
Oh yeah.
No, push desktop. Yeah, push that. Now push the set. Yeah, that one. That one just doesn't work for you. Now push OK. Push OK down there. Okay, now push allow. You see that allow button? Yeah. Push that. Now push the X right there. There you go.
Hey guys, you can see I just died.
It's Nathan's first video, anyway. So
Yeah,
just
it's my first video.
who's trading me?
And I'm in the
Okay.
arcade.
What is he trading you?
A monkey plushie for candy. Well, a candy cane tiara.
Yeah, I have a candy cane tiara.
No! I want some candy. Candy.
Well, not a candy cane tiara. I have a pink bunny hat if you want.
Got a candy
Bunny. Hi. I'm going crazy. Hi.
Do you want the pink bunny hat?
I'm sorry.
I have another candy cane tiara.
Bye. Michi,
Yeah,
follow me. Follow
Okay,
me.
hold on.
This way.
Let me put on a different hat. Something that matches my style.
Mitch, I'm in your house.
Whoop whoop. You ain't moving to me. Go by the water, cause you ain't dried off to me.
I am. Oh,
But you're not to me.
I don't know. Well, whatever. Okay. Where are we going, Bailey?
This way. Him.
Kimsters.
King hamsters. Let's go to the water to wash you off. Come on, let's go to the lake.
Where's the lake? Okay, you want to go to the beach then?
Yeah, the beachy beach.
We need to take a little break from all this.
I'm at Crystal Sand.
That's where I am.
The beach. Yeah. You're a bunny? How did you get a bunny?
I'm here.
Mommy.
I'm washing off.
You still ain't washed off to me.
I'm gonna go down.
You're muddy to me.
Huh?
You're muddy to me. You're freaking muddy to me.
I don't know why.
Oh my
Maybe
God.
you should reconnect. Log out and then
Guys, come here.
Hold on, guys.
shake.
Need to cut out.
I'm gonna strawberries for you. You can pause the
Guys,
Hey guys, I'm back. I had to cut out.
yeah. By the way, start recording, but one of my buddies want me first. Oh, guys, join me. I'm in someone's house.
Let's go by Nate.
I need to actually say
I'm back in.
I'm in someone's house.
Yeah.
Dragon turtle.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and see you later.
You can't go over what?
I can't go for 15 minutes. You can't.
I can't.
Down.